aka m bụkwa onye nke gị nwaada Agbarọma ụzọ mmiri. Tata bụ ụbọchị Nkwọ, wee na-asị ka tata bụ Nkwọ gaziela anyị, ka Nkwọ kpọtara anyị ndụ, kpọtara anyị udo, kpọtara anyị agamniru, ihe akụ akụ na ihe enwe enwe, ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike. A sị m na anyị gbuo n'iru na anyị ga-egbute ihe ọma, anyị gbuo n'azụ na anyị ga-egbute ihe ọma, anyị gbuo n'aka nri na n'aka ekpe anyị ga-egbute ihe ọma. A sị m na onye ọbụla na-achụ anyị ga-ada, onye ọbụla fụrụ anyị gbaba àjà ga-ejisi ya wee zere àjà. Sị ka chi anyị na mmụọ niile anyị na-atụ na aja anyị Igbo nye anyị ndụ, ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike, ihe akụ akụ na ihe enwe enwe, udo na agamniru. Tata bụ Nkwọ, ụbọchị Eke, ụbọchị Orie, ụbọchị Afọ, n'afịa na-anọ n'ụbọchị na-anọ ise 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 ise. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị nwaada Agbarọma ụzọ mmiri. Abụkwa m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo, bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Unu n'anya kịta unu afụ na our live YouTube live video ebidogo function wa, because the last time m chọrọ ime ya na-asị na o nwere amount of subscribers m na-enwe before anyị ebido gaba live. So from today, as long as na network dị ebe m nọ, ị enwe opportunity to be with me on live whenever I'm broadcasting, and then ask me direct question. Mana mbọsị anyị eme question and answer ka mma ekwu, onye nwere ajụjụ ya jụọ m direct. Ọ bụrụ mbọsị ọbụla m bịa live ịjụọ m ajụjụ. So na-etufu nnukwu oge. My mission is actually to bring our people back to our roots, is to bring ndị Igbo back to our culture and tradition. If I be able to bring my own people back, let every man go to his land and bring his people. Ọ bụrụ iwu na the whole Africa continent ka m akpọchite azụ African culture and tradition. Nke be nna m ka m anya ebido n'ụlọ zọrọ isi, ịma na mba niile ya azọrọ isi. When I assume Igbo, now my aim is to restore our culture, our tradition. Ime ka gị nwa bụ onye Igbo ghọta na chi onye adịghọ n'izu n'isi na-acha ya awọ. Ime ka gị nwa bụ onye Igbo ghọta na ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ n'ụzọ eziokwu. Afụgo m ihe nji wee nwee mgbarbu siri ike n'ọdịnala Igbo, nji wee kwudosie n'obi ndị ichie, wee kwudosie ike na mmụọ na agbara, wee na-ayọ ndụ, na-ayị ihe ọma, ayị udo, ayị ihe akụ akụ na ihe enwe enwe. Afụgo m a lot of miracles, blessings, upliftments, open doors, grace n'ọdịnala Igbo that I have not seen for up to 30 years of my life in church, that I have not seen. Nke onye chiri ya zelu, nke onye na-eme ya gazielu ya. Ịga n'isiokwu njimaka ya bịa. Isiokwu njimaka ya bịa bụ, I want us to talk about spiritual sickness. Spiritual sickness in Odinani Igbo. Spiritual sickness in Odinani Igbo. Do you know that a lot of people are walking and at the same time they are dead? Do you know that before anything can manifest physically, already it has come to be spiritually? That is the reason why enwere ike ịchụ aja ahụ ị chụrụ, it take 1 month, 2 months, 1 week, 2 weeks before bido manifest wa. Mgbe ahụ ị chụrụ aja, you are settling matter spiritually, and after settling that matter spiritually, then you wait for the manifestation physically. That is the reason why sometimes ndị mmadụ nwere ike mbọsị ha machiri poison ama mbụ mbọsị ọ ya ebido nyebe ha nsogbu. Ụfọdụ mbọsị ha riri poison n'ọnụ abụrụ mbọsị ọ ya ebido nyebe ha nsogbu. Ụfọdụ abụrụ mbọsị ha cast spell against them mbọsị ọ ya ebido nyebe ha nsogbu. Because already it has to exist spiritually before it manifests physically. Spiritual sickness in Odinani Igbo bụ mgbe nwere a lot of dark forces covering someone. Already when there is a lot and lots of dark forces covering someone, that person is as good as dead. Enwere ike enwe ndị ifuru ịmana mmụọ na-akụ mmadụ infection. Ịmana mmụọ na-akụ mmadụ infection, ịgwọgide ọjụ na ọya ana. Ịmana mmụọ na-agba ọgwụgwọ nwere ike ịkụ gị infection. Ịmana mmụọ na-agba ọgwụgwọ nwere ike ịgba gị nkịtị. Do you know that before you become broke physically, you have been broke spiritually? Before emega aka nkọchasị na mmadụ, emego gị ya na mmụọ. Do you know that? Do you know that before that marriage, divorce separates physically, it has been separated spiritually first? Spiritual sickness in Odinani Igbo is when you fail to align with forces and powers with you. All you are with different signs and all you are there from different angles. I don't know if you're getting the point. When you are starving, when you don't eat good food, when you don't have money to take care of your skin, when you don't have money to take care of yourself, my dear, you are sick spiritually. When you don't have money to pay your bills, at least you should be able to be comfortable. Even if you don't drive different cars, be comfortable. Be able to, to afford your 3 square meal per day. Well balanced. If you are not doing this, my brother, my sister, you are sick spiritually. Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you. When your mates, when they begin about how luta, you are sick. That is why you face that rejection. You are sick spiritually. And when you are sick spiritually, it begins to manifest in your physical life. That is the reason why some manifest when they have a dream concerning something that is not good. They become scared, because now definitely that thing will happen. That is that time have go see that thing spiritually. When you keep quiet, the manifestation will be there physically. Before you got broke, my brother, the sign was there everywhere, but you didn't attentive enough to grab the sign. You get it? Before that, your business started crumbling, crashing. Before that, marriage started crashing. Something has happened spiritually. Something has taken place spiritually. That is why when the things start manifesting physically, it comes with a lot of bad sides and negative effects. That person that promised you marriage, that is ready to come and marry you today and tomorrow, do you know na mmụọ na-esogi onwere ụdịdị mmiri ọ ya bụ inwe ihe ọ ga na-eme bụ nwoke ọbụla bịara ịnụ gị o weli iru gị wee na-achụ onye ahụ ọsọ ka o gbuo ya na nlọ? Do you know that? Have you ever thought of this? That before this man that promised you marriage started taking some steps back, already something has been done spiritually. Something has taken place spiritually that made it to manifest physically. And it becomes a problem to you because it is a big disappointment. And disappointment is a sickness. It's a big sickness. Na chọta okwu ihe nwere ike inwe mmadụ onwe spiritual sickness bụ gịnị? Mmadụ anarọ eme ihe dị n'ụzọ ya. Do you know that some prophets that you have gone to for spiritual work have caged your spirit somewhere? Do you know that? Do you know that some so-called dibias and there's the one that you went to for spiritual work at what you go morgue somewhere? They have caged your star somewhere. They are now inviting you in a forum that you don't understand. Sometimes after you might have gone for that spiritual work, that doesn't log it. You dream, you know that dream is strange, but when you wake up, you cannot understand it. And when you wake, you begin to face disappointment, hardship. My dear, you are sick spiritually and you need urgent attention. You understand? I have pimples and I am okay. Odi too much. But do you know that you can be sick spiritually and you be healthy physically? Naga, manebu, walking corpse. Do you know that you might be dead spiritually, but physically you are walking? Do you know? That is the reason why when know that spiritually you are dead. Spiritually you are dead. Then for you to bring back your life, you need to follow it spiritually. And that it can happen in a day, it can happen in a week, it can happen in a month, it can happen in a year. But the bottom line is that you have short life. You have been killed spiritually. So what am I trying to say in essence? Pay attention to your inner self. Be attentive to your third eye. Be attentive to your spirit guide. Some people, when they have strange dream, or when their loved one wake up and tell them that they had a strange dream about them, what do? They say it's just a dream. Don't go for that business. I saw a very bad dream on you concerning this journey. Please don't go. You see, it is just a dream. Don't you know that already they had to, entities gonna have so entity. That is why they had to reveal it to her. I believe there is entities with the woman. They had to reveal it to the woman in order to stop you from meeting untimely death. But what do you say? You say no, it is just a dream. That thing when it can manifest the other day, in future. But what do you have to do? It is not just stopping that journey. It is not just canceling that business. You follow it up spiritually so that you cancel that thing, so that it doesn't manifest physically. Ask yourself, have you been spiritually sick? Have your spiritual sickness been affecting your physical life? Has it manifested to your physical life? And what is the remedy? What is the way out? Do you fold your arms and sit down and say, it is just minor thing? When you sit down and take serious issues as minor thing, my dear, that is when you keep on falling into the traps of your enemies and the traps of the evil ones. Aka mbukwa onye nke gị nwada agbaroma ụzọ mmiri. Abụkwa m onye mgbasa ozi ọma Odinani Igbo, bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Anyị na-agbasi afọ ike na-alụso ọrụ mmụọ ike, na-enyere ụmụ Igbo aka ịmara eziokwu gbasara ọdịnala. Ya bụ onwe ajụjụ nwere ịjụ gbasara ihe ndị mụ na-akụzi gbasara ọdịnala Igbo, maọbụ ihe ọbụla gbasara ọdịnala Igbo, ma ọ n'ịchọ ka gbalụ gị afa ma ọ lụọ ọrụ gị ọrụ mmụọ, biko zitara ozi na my WhatsApp number na 070-373-11663. Biko ọ bụrụ tata bụ izizi gị ị na-join our program, you are welcome. And do us well by subscribing to our channel and sharing our channel to your friends so that they can as well follow up and learn. Ndewo.